Kṛṣṇa Caitanya, Prabhu Nityānanda, Śrī Advaita, Gadādhara, śrīvāsādi-gaura-bhakta-vṛnda. pañca-tattvātmakaṁ kṛṣṇaṁ, bhakta-rūpa svarūpakam, bhaktāvatāraṁ, bhaktākhyaṁ, namāmi bhakta-śaktikam. So, Śrī Kṛṣṇa Caitanya is a full representation of Kṛṣṇa in 6 aspects. That is, in the beginning of Caitanya-caritāmṛta, it has been explained, vande gurūn īśāvatārakān, īśa-bhaktān, prakāśāṁś, tac-chaktīḥ, like that. So, the Supreme Personality of Godhead is principally not divided, but is understood under 6 primary features. The primary first feature is guru, because guru gives the initiation to understand the Supreme Personality of God. That feature is represented by Śrī Nityānanda Prabhu. He is the original guru feature, and he is first manifested expansion of Kṛṣṇa. There is a prayer of Narottam Das Thakur in which it has been established that Brajanda Nandana Jai Sachitita Haila Sai Balaram Haila Nitai. Brajanda Nanda means Kṛṣṇa, the son of Maharaj Nanda. Maharaj Nanda was a very rich man. He had 100,000 of cows. Formerly, people were considered rich by possession of cows and grains, not by paper. At the present moment, we have got bunch of paper. As soon as the particular government is finished, you are all value finished. You simply, just like in Germany it happened, the marks were selling like anything. So these are not money. Actually, money means either say livestock or game stock. That is money. So in Sanskrit literature we find dhannena dhanavān, one who has got a large quantity of paddy, rice, he is rich man. Still in India, in villages, when a daughter is to be offered to a particular house, it is inquired how much stock of grains that family has got. They do not inquire how much stock exchange he has got in the bank. No. Factually, if you have got grains at your home, then there is no question of economic problem. If you have simply got grains and cows, then you won't have to go other place. That was the basic principle of civilization. That you possess some cows and some land so that you can produce foodstuff, that's all. Your whole economic problem is solved. Okay. Therefore, so much stress is given for cow protection. Among the division of society, the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, and the Vaishyas, and the Shudras. Shudras means non-Aryans. And Aryans, they are divided into three higher castes. Caste means according to profession and quality. That is caste. In the Bhagavad Gita it is stated, chāsut bandham maya system guna karma vibhaga. That is factual everywhere. If you have got the quality and if you are working